Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back if you're an oldie but a goodie. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some cozy Christmas vibes, doing a little bit of decorating, and this video is being sponsored by Quince. Quince is all about affordable luxury. They believe that everyone deserves high quality, beautifully made products that feel like the finer things, but at prices that won't break the bank. And what's even better is that their products are designed to last, so you're truly investing in pieces that will elevate your home. So if you're looking for high quality, beautifully made products to refresh your home, whether it's luxurious bedding, elegant decor, or timeless essentials, Quince definitely has you covered. And with their free shipping on every order and 365-day returns, yes, 365-day returns, there is absolutely no risk, so be sure to shop the links in my description box. There is nothing quite like the feeling of fresh sheets. It's just one of those little luxuries that makes such a big difference. I love washing my sheets weekly, and today I'm swapping them out with this luxurious bedding from Quince. Their bedding is truly next level. It's made with high quality materials that are soft, smooth, and durable. They have over 10 different fabrics to choose from, including their best-selling linen, which is ethically woven from 100% European flax. You're sure to find something that is going to fit your style and needs. I personally like to stick with classic white because it just feels timeless and clean, but Quince offers a variety of colors and patterns to match any aesthetic. For me, bedding is just a top priority. The bedroom is where we start and end our day, so I always want it to feel as comfortable and as luxurious as possible, and Quince absolutely delivers on that. And right now, Quince has a bundle offer where you can save up to 25% on custom bedding sets. So if you're looking to upgrade your bedding, I would highly recommend checking out Quince sheet sets. There's a link in the description box below, and don't forget that they do offer free shipping on all orders and 365-day returns. So if it's not exactly what you're looking for, then you can always send it back. Again, you have nothing to lose. So now I'm gonna finish making my bed, and I have this beautiful neutral bedding. It has a subtle Christmas print on it, and I thought it was perfect for our space. I absolutely love the way that it looks. Now I'm adding in some pillows. I like to start with the Euro size pillows, which are usually 26 by 26, and then I layer in some smaller pillows, typically 18 by 18, but I love these smaller pillows because they're red plaid, which adds in the perfect pop of color, and it really brings in those Christmas festive vibes. So now I'm gonna throw on this red quilt just for some extra cozy holiday warmth, and it really ties together a few of the other pieces that I've added in the room. So I love the pop of red. It really just brings everything together for that perfect Christmas decor feel. Now I'm just going to vacuum over the floor, and I usually do this every other day. Just a quick little cleanup to keep everything feeling fresh, and it's just one of those things that really helps me stay on top of things, especially with the holiday hustle and bustle. It only takes a few minutes, but it really just makes all the difference. To show you this gorgeous tree skirt that I also got from Quince. It's such a beautiful piece, and it really helps elevate the look of our tree. The neutral tone and the subtle texture makes it so versatile, and it really just works perfectly with any holiday decor style. So whether you're going for something traditional or modern. Moving on to the dining room, and I'm gonna start by cleaning off the dining table, and I like to use this wood cleaner. This natural wood is so beautiful, and it really just adds warmth to the space. I love the neutral tone, and it kind of has like a subtle rustic vibe to it, so it's both elegant and cozy. So I really just wanted to take the time to set the table in here and bring in more of the Christmas holiday vibes. We do have the 2 Christmas trees in here, but I just really wanted to pull the entire look together. I got this glassware from Quince to go with the overall table setting, and these are really beautiful. I love the style. I don't have anything quite like this in my collection, so I just thought that these were absolutely beautiful. They're also very durable. I love a good glassware that feels high quality, so these are perfect. So I'm gonna start off by adding placemats. I love this red with a little hint of green, perfect for the overall red theme that we've done throughout the house. And I love to do a good mix match situation, so I decided to add these placemats as well, and they really complement the red placemats. So now I'm going to use these green chargers. They're kind of like a hunter green color here. And on top of the green chargers, I'm adding these super cute plates that each have a holiday word: believe, marry, and joy. And I just love how they tie everything together with the Christmas theme. And I decided not to put anything on top of them because I really wanted the words to stand out. For the napkins, I'm simply laying them on top. I didn't want to put them on the plates, but I only have 4 napkins, and I think that's totally fine. The napkin rings are absolutely adorable. They're these little greenery details with pine cones, and they really just add such a nice festive touch. For the centerpiece, I'm keeping it simple but festive. I'm using this wooden tray as the base, and inside of it, I placed these 2 candles just for a cozy vibe. And for a little touch of sparkle, I'm adding these cute little silver Christmas trees, and they really complement the candles perfectly. And I also decided to decorate outside the tray with a few more silver Christmas trees, and it really just helps to bring everything together. And I love how the mix of wood and silver creates a balance between rustic and elegant, so it feels festive without being too over the top. And it's just a simple setup, but it really helps elevate the table, and it just gives me that beautiful overall holiday setup that I was looking for. And here's the overall setup. I love the way that it turned out. What do you guys think? I feel like it's the perfect balance of festive and a little touch of glam, because you guys know I can't resist a glam moment, but it feels inviting and elegant while still keeping that cozy vibe that I was going for. But I really, really love this setup. This is definitely one of my favorite ones that I've done for the holidays so far. And I just love creating a space that feels cozy and inviting, especially during the holidays. But I also know that not everyone is in that place this season, and that's okay. Don't feel bad if decorating or making your home feel festive isn't really a priority right now. I like to make these videos not just to inspire, but also to be a little safe space for you, somewhere to relax and maybe escape the stress, because I totally get it. The holidays can be so overwhelming and stressful at times. Believe me, I feel those moments too. But for me, cleaning is such a mental reset, and it helps me feel more in control, and it gives me the headspace to really appreciate the small joys even during a busy season. So the next item I have from Quince is this absolutely beautiful throw blanket. It has a quilted design, and it adds a little touch of texture to the space, and I thought it would be perfect for the sofa. I love to get cozy here, so whether I'm watching a movie or working on editing a video, I always like to have a blanket nearby, especially since it's getting a little chilly, and this throw is not only functional, but it also adds a cozy and inviting feel to the living room. And Quince also has candles, so you guys already know I had to grab one. I went with the Spice Pine scent, and let me just say, it is so good. It smells like Christmas morning and a fresh cut tree, so I decided to place it on the foyer table, and it's just a perfect way to infuse the space with all of those festive holiday vibes that I've been talking about the entire video. But it really just adds such a warm and welcoming touch as soon as you walk in. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in any of the Quince products I shared today, be sure to click the link in the description box, and don't forget they offer free shipping and a 365-day return policy. Again, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye!